Today, you're going to do what most people won't.
You can't make me.
You're going to create and sell your own ebook in just 1 hour. And it's possible because we're building it around what you already know: your experience, your skills, your story. I'll walk you through choosing your topic, figuring out who it's for, and using my favorite tool, Designer, to turn your knowledge into a professional ebook fast. I've used Designer for a year now, and for the $97 a year fee, about $8 a month, it's been one of the most powerful tools in my business. I originally wanted to use only free resources, but the time it took me to write and correctly format the free option took so long, I felt it wasn't worth it, which is why we're going with the $8 a month option of Designer. Let me show you. I want to start with some examples of what's already out there, what's selling, and what these books could look like, and something you could possibly make. So in Amazon, first of all, I did come over here and log out because I don't want it to get conflicted or muddled with any of my recent searches. I want to start fresh. You could also do possibly an incognito window if you wanted to swipe this slate even cleaner. But I came over here, I clicked on books, I typed in nonfiction books, and here we've got a lot of self-help books and some historical books. I really wanted to see what is out there. Learn a lot while you sit on the pot. Actually ends up being a really great book. Let's go ahead and narrow this down a little bit more. In my KDP Spy, which is a plugin, and it is a BookBolt plugin, I came here and I sorted through all of the books. I then switched the estimated revenue. And of course, I'm going to get those best sellers that are out there. We have Inside the Greatest Crash. This is the Too Big to Fail book. The next one, the Let Them book. These are all ginormous books with big authors and literary agencies. But that's not me. That's not what I'm going to be making today. I want to make a book, an ebook that I can promote about something that I know a lot about, or a skill that I'm passionate about, so I can help others. So I'm actually going to swap this, change the estimated revenue, flip it around. This is a monthly estimated revenue. Let's see what the first book is. The Fall of the House of Dixie. Okay, a Civil War story. Nice. This one here, the very second one that came up, is the perfect example of an ebook that is about a skill and that has been selling so well for years. Now, at first, you're probably like, Renee, it's only making $26 a month. How is that a bestseller? It's been selling since 2017. And you can see here that it has 5 out of 5 star ratings, over 1,500 5 out of 5 star ratings. People love this book. Let's look inside. You can see here, it's not fancy. It dives right into how to make borders when you're crocheting. Very simple. This whole thing is 435 pages. That's a lot. But as you see here, a lot of it is pictures. So there's a lot of demonstration and step-by-step items. You can see why someone would like this because it shows so many details. A wonderful example of someone creating an ebook off of a skill that they have. Here in Word Genie, it's going to let me build a book depending on the input I give it, and I can adjust it as I go. So what am I going to write about? I actually have a secret skill. It is soap making. So I actually make soaps and lotions, and it was something I made years ago for my family because my boys have bad skin and my husband has really sensitive skin. So I started making my own soap, and now it's a skill that I love and the whole family loves it because we give it away as gifts. So it is called cold process soap making. And if I wanted to make a small ebook for support for someone else out there who's interested in making a soap, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to enter my topic. Now, don't skip the sub niche part. These are going to be your subheadings or your other chapters. So I'm going to go through these and select the ones that I want to include. Now for the title. I definitely want to make this for beginners. So here with each chapter, it gives me kind of a sub-chapter, and I can come in and change these if I'd like. I can change it to a different type of heading, make it a bigger heading if I like, or change it back. I can also just type in here and change it. And let's go ahead and read through and make sure it's everything that I want. Okay, looks good. Adding the images to the content, I'm going to go ahead, and this is a new feature for me. I haven't used it often. Let's see what type of images it's going to include. Okay, I paused the video for about 5 minutes. That's how long it took for Word Genie to design the book. It's finishing up about chapters 9 and 10. I'm going to go through, and don't worry, I won't make you sit through all of it, and read what it says, make adjustments, edit. Let me show you how to do that. Right here, click. You can click on right there on Word Genie and ask it to rewrite it, fix spelling, reduce it, expand it, or regular text, and then I can edit it as I want to. So you see, that's where I'm going to go through and add my special touch and my own reflections and experiences making soap. Now, remember that button I clicked in order for the program to identify pictures or make AI images. That didn't really work as well as I thought. So those are just okay. So what I did was I went over to Pexels, and this is free. These are free images that you can use, and I downloaded them. And don't forget, with Pexels, the author or the photographer just asks that you add their name or give them credit if you're publishing it. They ask you to, but it's not required. So this says add to this chapter an image from the suggested or upload your own. I'm going to go ahead and upload my own. Okay, now I'm going to select an image. Let's select that one. Here's the next section. See, this paintbrush definitely does not apply. I'm going to add that one. And the book is completely done being built now. I'm going to go ahead and press pause again, spend the next 40 minutes or so combing through this and making sure it is exactly how I want it. Here we are at the last chapter. Let's go ahead and choose our template. Okay, it's the colors I like. Let's go ahead and use this template. Okay, it's imported everything into the general template. Now, again, it's not done. I need to go through and kind of fix up some things, adjust possibly some sizes here and there. It added the pictures that I had uploaded. It added it to the beginning of each chapter. Now, I may want to add a few more pictures, so you'll see me do that. I think the biggest trick here tip that I learned is that when you want to change, if you want to change everything across all of the pages, you have to first identify the section that you want to change. Here to edit. Now over here, make sure that this make changes to all elements is selected. Then let's say I just want to change the color. Let's say I want to make it black, and then you can see it changed there, and it changed all across every page. Down here, this is a live link that I can change. Let's say if I have a website that I want to teach soap making or I want to sell my soap, this live link, I can link directly to that. So now I'm going to go through and work on adding a few pictures and adjusting a few more things. So as you can see, this is where you're going to spend most of your time in the development of this book, but it's a lot of fun, and I'm going to continue to add a few more images, but other than that, the book is done. Let me show you how to export it and what your options are. I'm going to click here on Publish. You can click on the Adobe Reader, and it will either download a copy right away, or it will email you a copy. It'll tell you if it's too long and it needs to email you a copy. Because I have that $97 a year version, I don't have access to download the EPUB file that just uploads directly to KDP, but there are free resources out there where you can upload your PDF that comes with that beginner level subscription, and it will convert it to an EPUB for you. Let me show you. I'm going to try this one. I just went to convert free PDF to EPUB, free convert PDF to EPUB. Let's try this one. Particular website lets you try one for free. And then after that, if you want to continue to use their platform, then you'd have to pay for the subscription. And at that time is when I would decide, do I up my subscription in Designer or do I find another free resource? Let's see how this one works. That was really easy. So here is the EPUB file. It's formatted how I need. I'm going to go ahead and download it as the EPUB file. And this is what I upload to KDP. I got that detail wrong. Ends up I have the standard $27 access, and the $97 option will give me access to download those EPUB files. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I thought I had the $97 one, and I must have downgraded a little bit ago. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to the $97 a year because I think it's totally worth it. Oh, and don't forget, I've got all of this written down for you on my website at reneeclancy.com, along with a lot of freebies over there. Check it out.